This is how to make a Philly cheesesteak on the Blackstone Griddle. Now that it's hot, let's get this oiled up. Alright, oil's nice and hot. Let's throw some of these onions in here. Spice mix is simple. 2 parts of salt for 1 part of garlic powder and black pepper. Onions have a great color to them. Let's move them off to the side and let's turn down the heat a bit. I want to get these guys nice and sweaty. Just move them off to the side. Alright, now for the steaks. We're going to use some good old ribeye, sliced real thin. Alright, let's go to it. Cutting your roll, you always use a serrated bread knife. You don't want to use just an all-purpose knife. Make sure it's serrated. Let's throw cheese in here. We got the provolone going on. We'll go with 1, 2, 3 slices. How about that? Alright, let's check on the cheese. Looking nice and melted. Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's try it out. That's good stuff.